Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to open or hide sidebar on DeepSeek AI. For that, first open any browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. After that, you can see the search bar on the top. Click on it and type in DeepSeek. Now it will lead you to this homepage of DeepSeek AI. To log into your account and start using DeepSeek AI, you can click on this Start Now button. Now you have to make sure that you are logged into your account. Here you can see that this sidebar has already opened. To hide this sidebar, you can see this icon on the top. Click on it and this sidebar will be hidden. Now if you want to again open the sidebar, you can click on this icon here. And another way to open the sidebar is to click on this DeepSeek logo. It will also open the sidebar of the DeepSeek. So following this simple and easy step, you can now hide and open sidebar on DeepSeek AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any other queries, you can comment down below. Thank you.